Looking at the market being low in price for over 2 weeks now, investors are getting curious and scared. Seeing this, I thought of making a APTOS video to tell y'all all about APTOS, if APTOS Coin is a good investment, the pros and cons on APTOS blockchain network, and my price prediction of APTOS Coin. Before getting started, please note that this video is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before attempting to take any actions toward any of the cryptocurrencies I talk about. Also, kindly hit the like and subscribe button so it can help the YouTube algorithm push this message. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. The rise of blockchains as a new internet infrastructure has led to developers deploying tens of thousands of decentralized applications at rapidly growing rates. Unfortunately, blockchain usage is not yet ubiquitous due to frequent outages, high costs, low throughput limits, and numerous security concerns. To enable mass adoption in the Web3 era, blockchain infrastructure needs to follow the path of cloud infrastructure as a trusted, scalable, cost-efficient, and continually improving platform for building widely used applications. This is where APTOS comes into place. APTOS is a blockchain technology that is designed with scalability, safety, reliability, and upgradability as key principles to address these challenges. The APTOS blockchain has been developed over the past 3 years by over 350+ developers across the globe. In the Web 2 version of the Internet, services such as messaging, social media, finance, gaming, shopping, and audio-video streaming are provided by centralized companies that control direct access to user data, e.g. Google, Amazon, Apple, and Meta. These companies develop infrastructure using application-specific software optimized for targeted use cases and leverage cloud infrastructures to deploy these applications to users. Cloud infrastructure provides access to virtualized physical infrastructure services, such as rented virtual machines and bare metal hardware operating inside data centers worldwide, e.g. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. As a result, building Web 2 Internet services that can scale to billions of users has never been easier than it is today. However, Web 2 requires that users place explicit trust in centralized entities, a requirement that has become increasingly concerning to society. To combat this concern, a new Internet age has begun, which is the Web 3. In the Web 3 version of the Internet, blockchains have emerged to provide decentralized, immutable ledgers that enable users to interact with one another securely and reliably, all without requiring trust in controlling intermediaries or centralized entities. Similar to how Web 2 Internet services and applications rely on cloud infrastructure as building blocks, decentralized applications can use blockchains as a decentralized infrastructure layer to reach billions of users across the world. However, despite the existence of many blockchains today, widespread adoption of Web3 has not yet taken place. While technology continues to advance the industry, existing blockchains are unreliable, impose high transaction fees for users, have low throughput limitations, suffer regular asset losses due to security issues, and cannot support real-time responsiveness. In comparison to how cloud infrastructure has enabled Web 2 services to reach billions, blockchains have not yet enabled Web 3 applications to do the same. According to the white paper, APTOS' vision is to deliver a blockchain that can bring mainstream adoption to Web 3 and empower an ecosystem of decentralized applications to solve real-world user problems. Its mission is to advance the state-of-the-art in blockchain reliability, safety, and performance by providing a flexible and modular blockchain architecture. This architecture should support frequent upgrades, fast adoption of the latest technology advancements, and first-class support for new and emerging use cases. When creating APTOS, the team envisions a decentralized, secure, and scalable network governed and operated by the community that uses it. When infrastructure demands grow across the world, the computational resources of the blockchain scale up horizontally and vertically to meet those needs. As new use cases and technological advances arise, the network should frequently and seamlessly upgrade without interrupting users. Infrastructure concerns should fade into the background. Developers and users will have access to many different options for key recovery, data modeling, smart contract standards, resource usage trade-offs, privacy, and composability. Users know that their assets are secure, always available, and can be accessed with near-at-cost fees. Anyone can safely, easily, and immutably transact with untrusted parties worldwide. Blockchains are as ubiquitous as cloud. To achieve this vision, significant technological advances must be made. The team's experiences when building, developing, advancing, and deploying the predecessor of the APTOS blockchain over the past 3 years have proven that a network can continually upgrade its protocols without disrupting its clients. The predecessor of APTOS mainnet was deployed to more than a dozen node operators with multiple wallet providers in early 2020. Over the following year, APTOS developers issued 2 major upgrades that changed the consensus protocol and the core framework. Both upgrades were completed without downtime for users. With the APTOS blockchain, the team has made a series of radical improvements to the technology stack while also incorporating safe, transparent, and frequent upgrades as a core feature, as inspired by the Diem blockchain. In addition, to meet the needs of safe, fast, reliable, and upgradable Web3 infrastructure for widespread adoption, the APTOS blockchain is built on the following core design principles, which are fast and secure execution along with simple audibility and mechanical analyzability via a new smart contract programming language called Move. Move originated with the predecessor to the APTOS blockchain and continues to progress with the evolution of this project. Extremely high throughput and low latency through a batched, pipelined, and parallelized approach to transaction processing. Novel parallel transaction processing that efficiently supports atomicity with arbitrarily complex transactions through block STM, unlike existing parallel execution engines that require upfront knowledge of data locations to be read and written. Optimizations for performance and decentralization via rapid, stake-weight validator set rotation and reputation tracking. Upgradability and configurability as first-class design principles to embrace new use cases and the latest technology. Modular designs that enable rigorous component-level testing along with appropriate threat modeling and seamless deployment, all ensuring highly secure and reliable operations. Horizontal throughput scalability while preserving decentralization, where sharding is a first-class concept exposed to users and native to the programming and data model. At the moment, APTOS is trading at about $6. With a market cap of $1.4 million, fully diluted market capitalization of $6.9 billion, and a 24-hour trading volume of around $95 million. At the time of making the video, the price is kinda in a consolidating mode. We all know that when a project is in a ranging mode, the next move is always massive, it's either pumping or dumping massively. With APTOS, it definitely taking the pumping route. This is solely because as a blockchain network project, I believe in APTOS so much. From the white paper, you can clearly see APTOS solves a real-life blockchain problem and it will be essentially used in the future, which I'm sure about because of its scalability. To me, the price of APTOS coin is down due to the global crypto market dipping. Check out CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, you'd see the top dog cryptocurrencies are dumping in price as well. Cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Jasmy Coin, and others are all going down. So I do not think it's fully on the APTOS market. My advice to you is to use this price weakness as fuel to buy more. For those asking if APTOS coin can reach $50, I will say a big yes, but it won't be in 2023. I think APTOS can reach $50 mark in the future because it is a blockchain project. If the developers play their cards right, APTOS might end up becoming one of the biggest blockchain networks projects like Ethereum and Solana. Thanks for watching.